So this is a RGB LED, like 3 pins, and then you have ground. So this white one is the ground, and this is the RGB, which is connected on like pin 14, 25, 26, like that. And this is going into ground, white one on the back. So like it will turn on the red traffic light, then green traffic light, then yellow traffic light, and then again cycle through red. Let's just see the demo. So currently it has started the red LED, red traffic signal. Then it has turned on the green traffic signal, and now it is yellow. So like in mobile it is hard to see, but like now it has again cycled through red, then green, and this is yellow, again cycle through red. So in the program, like we have defined few functions. This is like to turn red light on, and this is red light off, green light on and green light off, yellow light on, yellow light off. And because it is working on Bluetooth, so like for every command we put a delay of 0.2 second to avoid like command getting lost, because this is not the ESP32 WebSocket base, it is like Bluetooth base, so we have to put some delay between each command. And this is our code. So like when the green flag is click, it will turn off the yellow light, then turn on the yellow light, wait for 10 seconds, then turn off the red light. There is a spelling mistake. uh, Turn the green light on, then green light off, and then yellow light on, and wait for 2 seconds, after which yellow light will be turned off and red light will be turned on, and this cycle continues forever. So let's just fix this.